Okay, so this is the histology of the small intestines, and we're just going to jump right into it. So these are the layers of the small intestines. We have the mucosa, which are just simple columnar epithelial tissues, and that's what you're seeing right here. Next layer down is the submucosa, which are just loose fibrous connective tissues. That's right there. And then further down, we have the muscularis, which are just two layers of smooth muscle tissues. And then we have the serosa, which are just connective tissues with a thin lining of simple squamous epithelial tissues. Okay, the first tissue, which is the innermost layer, um, we have the mucosa, and it secretes digestive enzymes and hormones. It is also responsible for absorbing nutrients, and in this picture we can also see the villi and the muscularis mucosa. So essentially what the muscularis mucosa are, it's just smooth muscle fibers that extend out into the villi right here. And yeah. So next layer we have the submucosa, which it just supports the mucosa, and it also connects the mucosa to the smooth muscle tissues, and it is loose fibrous connective tissues. Okay, we have the muscularis now. It consists of the inner circular smooth muscle and the outer longitudinal smooth muscle. So the inner circular smooth muscle has smooth muscle fibers that are wrapped around the long axis of the tract, while the outer longitudinal smooth muscle just has smooth muscle fibers parallel to it. This muscularis is also responsible for gut movement, which is also known as peristalsis. Okay, last layer, which is the outermost layer, is known as the serosa. It mainly consists of connective tissue with with a very thin smooth with a very thin lining made up of not smooth, simple squamous epithelial tissue. This thin layer is also known as the mesothelium. And essentially, what the serosa is responsible for is it secretes a lubricating fluid that reduces the friction from muscle movements. And that's the histology of the small intestines.